going to go over these NORTIV 8 trail running shoes. Now, I also have a pair of Hoka running shoes. These are probably the closest things to Hokas I've ever found. These are absolutely amazing shoes. Let me just go over with, number one, they are extremely light. These are very light shoes. They have the wide toe box right here, so your toes are the ability to kind of like sprawl out right there. It doesn't have a constriction. They have a lot of stability in this forefoot. Because of the width right there, it gives you a lot of stability. The lug patterns are like unidirectional, so they're that way and that way. You can see they offset the lug patterns. Not a super deep lug. And one thing that I've noticed, these are very cushiony. There is such a good amount of cushion in these things. They feel very good on the foot. They fit really true to size. I wear a size 9 and I got these in a size 9 and they come in a lot of different colors. I got mine in the white and black here. That gold just looks awesome. I think it's a 5mm drop from the heel to toe. You can see the drop right there. It kind of like the heel strike goes nicely and it just rolls over. I did a little bit of trail running. I ran up and down some hills. I took them out on the road. Surprisingly, these work extremely well on road and off road. This has become my new kind of walking shoe. Now, there's not much arch support in them. I am going to get me some arch support insoles and put a better insole on here, but to me, this is the most affordable, good walking shoe on the market today. I think this is the sleeper out there. I am so impressed with this. This is half the cost of my Brooks or my Hoka shoes. I'm in my new kind of go-to shoes for trail running and just walking in the neighborhood and just kind of like doing a little bit of everything in general. So yeah, there it is. That's all I got on the NORTIV 8 trail shoe. See y'all in the next video.